Hey everyone, I will be showing you 5 best AI background removers in 2024. Today, we are diving into the exciting world of artificial intelligence and its impact on photo editing. Over the past few months, AI has been turning heads and transforming industries. And guess what? Photo editing is no exception. Imagine a world where editing your images is not only faster, but also more accurate and efficient, thanks to advanced AI algorithms. Today, we are specifically talking about AI-powered background removal tools, a game changer in the world of digital creativity. But hold on, with a flood of AI background remover tools out there, how do you choose the right one for your needs? Do not worry, we've got you covered. In this video, we are going to explore 5 cutting-edge platforms. We will be taking an in-depth look at the features offered by each platform, comparing their strengths, and helping you make an informed decision. Whether you are a professional designer, content creator, or just someone who loves tinkering with images, this comparison will guide you to the perfect AI background removal tool. So grab your favorite beverages, sit back, and let us navigate the AI landscape together. By the end of this video, you will have a clearer picture of which tool aligns best with your editing needs. If you are ready to explore the future of photo editing with AI, give this video a thumbs up. Hit the subscribe button and let us jump right into the world of AI background removal tools. Do not forget to leave your thoughts and questions in the comments below. We love hearing from you. Now, let us get started. As we are delving into the fascinating world of AI-powered background removal tools, our first stop is Erasebg, an online platform that has been making waves for its efficiency and user-friendly interface. Erasebg is not your average background remover. It is an AI-based tool that empowers users to effortlessly remove backgrounds from their images. What sets it apart? Well, let us break it down. First off, Erasebg greets you with a user-friendly interface. You don't need to be a seasoned image editor to navigate this platform, whether you are a professional or just a hobbyist. Erasebg welcomes users of all skill levels. Now, flexibility is key when it comes to image editing. Erasebg allows users to upload images up to a whopping 5,000 by 5,000 pixels, supporting popular formats like PNG, JPEG, JPG, and WebP. And guess what? You can seamlessly add new backgrounds, be it solid colors or patterns, right within the platform. Speed is the name of the game, and Erasebg is winning. With the ability to remove backgrounds in just a few seconds, it is a go-to tool for professionals juggling large volumes of images. No more wasting precious time on tedious edits. But here is the kicker. Erasebg doesn't shy away from complexity. It handles backgrounds with multiple colors and intricate patterns like a pro. And that's not all. The platforms let you resize your images and save them in various formats, giving you the creative freedom you deserve. Have you tried Erasebg? What are your thoughts so far? Drop your comments below and let us keep this conversation going. We are shining the spotlight on Zyro, not just your average website building platform, but a powerhouse of AI-driven features that are redefining the game. So buckle up as we dive into the world of Zyro. Zyro is not just about creating stunning websites. It is a comprehensive platform that harnesses the power of artificial intelligence to make your web building experience a breeze. What is in its arsenal? Well, hold on onto your hats: an AI background remover, an AI website heat map, an AI writer, and an AI slogan generator. Now, here's the beauty of Zyro. It is designed with you in mind, whether you are a seasoned web designer or someone venturing into the online space for the first time. It is user-friendly and doesn't require a background in coding. So if you have been hesitant to dip your toes into website building, Zyro might just be your ticket to a stress-free experience. Let us talk about the star of the show, Zyro's AI-based background remover tool. Imagine uploading your images directly into the platform, and with just one click, the magic happens. The background is removed, leaving your main subject perfectly intact. No more grappling with complex editing tools. Zyro simplifies the process for you. Zyro supports images in SVG or PNG format, giving you the flexibility you need for your creative projects. The program works swiftly and efficiently, making the editing process not only effective but also enjoyable. Now, you are probably wondering about the cost. Zyro caters to a range of users with its free and paid versions. The free version grants access to the background remover tool, but keep in mind, there might be some limitations on the number of images you can process. Want more power? Zyro offers paid plans to suit your needs. Have you given Zyro a spin? Share your experiences and thoughts down below. We are all about that community engagement. Our exploration on our third AI background removal tool continues, and this time we are diving into the world of Pixelmator Pro. If you're a Mac enthusiast or someone on the lookout for powerful image editing software, you are in for a treat. Let's unravel the magic of Pixelmator Pro. Pixelmator Pro isn't just your run-of-the-mill image editing software. It is an exclusive powerhouse designed specifically for the Mac ecosystem. Packed with advanced features, it takes digital image editing to a whole new level. Yes, it comes with an AI-powered background removal tool. So what sets Pixelmator Pro apart? Well, imagine having a background removal tool that doesn't just cut out the background but does it with precision, thanks to machine learning algorithms. This tool automatically detects and removes backgrounds while preserving the fine details of the foreground object. It is like having a digital wizard at your fingertips. But Pixelmator Pro doesn't stop there. Enter the Repair tool, a feature that can make objects vanish from your photos without a trace. Talk about seamlessly enhancing your images with a touch of magic. Now, let us talk about user experience. Pixelmator Pro boasts an intuitive interface, making it a go-to choice for users looking to explore its myriad editing tools. Whether you are a seasoned designer or a novice, navigating through the software is a breeze. Compatibility matters, and Pixelmator Pro has you covered. It supports popular file formats such as PSD, JPEG, and PNG, and it doesn't shy away from handling high-resolution images. Your creative visions can truly come to life with the flexibility this software offers. Pixelmator Pro isn't just about editing existing images. It is a canvas for your creative expressions. With features like vector shapes, text tools, and custom brushes, you can venture into the realm of graphic creation seamlessly. And here is the cherry on top: third-party plugins. Extend the functionality of Pixelmator Pro by incorporating plugins that suit your unique needs. Our AI-driven journey through the realm of graphic design continues. And our fourth destination is the cloud-based wonderland of Wypeak. Brace yourselves for a creative adventure as we explore the myriad features this platform has to offer. Let us dive into the world of Wypeak. Wypeak isn't just your typical graphic design platform. It is a cloud-based haven that empowers users to craft professional quality designs effortlessly. Whether you are creating content for social media, preparing a killer presentation, or working on marketing materials, Wypeak is your go-to companion. Picture this: an intuitive drag-and-drop interface coupled with an extensive library of design assets, templates, illustrations, icons, and photos. Wypeak has it all. It is a playground for your creative imagination, and it caters to users of all levels. Whether you are a seasoned designer or someone stepping into the world of graphic design for the first time. But that is not all. Wypeak brings a touch of AI magic into the mix with its background remover tool. Quick, accurate, and powered by artificial intelligence, this tool makes removing backgrounds from images a seamless experience. Download your edited graphics in PNG and JPG formats, and lo and behold, you have just elevated your design game. Collaboration is key in the world of design, and Wypeak knows it. With features allowing users to collaborate with team members, save and share designs, and access customizable templates, it is a hub for creativity that thrives on teamwork. Now, let us talk about the nitty-gritty, the pricing. Wypeak caters to both free and paid users. The free version provides access to the background remover tool and limited library of design assets. Ready to unlock the full potential? The paid version offers a plethora of features, providing unlimited access to the platform's design assets and tools. As our exploration of AI-powered wonders continues, we have reached the final destination on our list: Top Media AI. Get ready to be immersed in a world where AI processes images, videos, and audio, pushing the boundaries of creative expression. Let us delve into the realm of Top Media AI. Top Media AI is not your ordinary platform. It is a multifaceted online hub utilizing cutting-edge AI technology to transform the way we interact with media. At the heart of its offerings is a robust AI-enabled background remover tool that doesn't just remove backgrounds, it does so with precision, thanks to advanced algorithms that effortlessly detect and separate the foreground subject from its backdrop. What sets Top Media AI apart? is its speed and efficiency. Imagine processing images in a matter of seconds, even for complex ones with intricate details. That is the power of Top Media AI's background remover tool, a game changer for creators working on tight schedules without compromising quality. But the AI marvels of Top Media AI don't stop there. Brace yourself for an AI art generator that sparks creativity, a watermark remover that cleans up your visuals, and an online voice changer that adds a touch of playfulness to your projects. And if that is not enough, here is the kicker. Transform text into realistic and expressive audio. Yes, you heard it right. What's more, Top Media AI presents an intuitive and user-friendly interface. No need to be a tech guru or a photo editing wizard. With Top Media AI, you can effortlessly create and share professional-looking presentations, videos, and animations without breaking a sweat. It is a haven for those who want to unleash their creativity without the shackles of advanced editing skills. And there you have it, fellow creators, the captivating world of AI-powered background remover tools. As you wrap up this exploration, it is clear that artificial intelligence is revolutionizing the way we edit photos, providing us with unprecedented speed, accuracy, and efficiency. Let us take a moment to reflect on the key takeaways from our journey. The advanced algorithms and intuitive interfaces of these AI tools have transformed the editing landscape. Whether you are using Erasebg, Zyro, Pixelmator Pro, Weepic, or Top Media AI, the power to remove backgrounds faster and more accurately than ever before is at your fingertips. We have uncovered some standout features, like the ability of AI tools to gracefully handle complex backgrounds and their flexibility in offering various output formats. It is this adaptability that makes them versatile companions for a range of creative projects. When it comes down to it, the choice of the perfect tool ultimately depends on your specific needs and preferences. Each platform we explored today has its unique strengths, catering to different skill levels and creative requirements. Now, let us not forget the giants in the room. Traditional image editing tools like Adobe Photoshop. Yes, they too have embraced the AI revolution, offering integrated tools for background manipulation. However, it is essential to note that Adobe Suite comes at a cost, and for those who doesn't require the full suite of professional features, the free and user-friendly tools we have discussed in this article might just be the perfect fit. Whether you are a seasoned designer, a content creator, or someone exploring the world of photo editing for the first time, there's an AI tool out there waiting to elevate your creative game. If you have enjoyed this journey through the realm of AI background remover tools, don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe for more content, and share your thoughts in the comments below. Which tool caught your eye? What other AI-powered wonders should we explore next? Let us know. Until our next exploration, keep creating, keep innovating, and embrace the limitless possibilities that artificial intelligence brings to the world of photo editing. Thanks for joining us on this adventure, and we will catch you in the next one.